Hello friends, today we will have a new video that is going to help you to know how to add a HMI in existing PLC program and how to communicate with that PLC. Going to add new device. In the add new device, click on HMI. So you have the list of HMIs. Yes. For time being, we will select KTP 100 or KTP 1000. If you want, you can take any kind of HMI present over here. So the HMI which we have chosen is KTP 1000 basic color PN. PN stands for Profinet and the version is 12.0.0. As the new version of the KTP is released, the version will automatically change. This is the MLFB number for your KTP. So the KTP shows that it is having the pixels of 640 by 480. It is having all the colors, 256 colors. Sometimes they specify that the colors are only two, black and white. It is having key and touch operation. That means it is having the keys below. And it also has a touch screen. So you can use touch to activate or to set any value or to press a button using this HMI. It is also telling you that it is having 8 function keys and 1 Profinet interface. That means it is going to communicate with only those kind of PLCs which will be having Ethernet as the interface. Okay, now we'll say okay. This is the wizard by which you can create a HMI communication. That means normal displays will have no meaning, else they are connected with the PLC. So how to set up a communication within HMI and a PLC, that will be seen in the coming section. Okay, now you are going to select a PLC. Yes, so you are having PLC 1, CPU 12143 DC DC DC. This is priorly appearing because we have already created a PLC which we have done in the last video. Now we are going to integrate the HMI inside the PLC program, so the PLC is already available. If there is no PLC available, this will be none, that there will be no PLC available. For that purpose, then you have to create an HMI and then again add new device, go into devices and networks and then add the PLC. Okay, so I will click on PLC 1, say OK. Okay, so the connection link is being established between HMI and a PLC. Now we will go to the next. So here in this they are telling that what should be your background color. In this, in short, they are telling you what will be the template. Okay, now I will be using the template background color as white. Okay, you can use any type of color. Yes, have you noticed that every color, the background color is white now? Then they are asking you whether you want a header, and in the header whether you want date time and a logo. So by default Siemens gives its own logo. If you want, you can add your logo by browse option. For time being, we will keep Siemens logo as it is. Then in this they are going to asking you whether you want the alarm screens to be popping up. Now what happens, the alarms are being divided into number of types, that is pending alarms, unacknowledged alarms, active events. So it makes a mess when your screen is being created. So either you can skip this, that means you can untick all the alarms and you better way go a single screen as an alarm window. Else what will happen if there is a basic alarm as well, that the temperature is heating up, then to the alarm window will be popping up and you won't be able to do any kind of your work. So I will untick it for you. See, are you viewing that the screens are getting removed one by one? Okay, I have removed all. Click on next, and then they are telling you what should be the layout of your screen. Okay, the root screen is common. Okay, as it is a first screen, we will keep root screen, but we will change its name. You can change the name I will it as welcome screen. You can give any name to the same. So we have given welcome screen as a name. If you want to add, you can click here. So the screen is being added. So I have given the name as parameter screen. We don't want all the screens, schematic PLC, project information, nothing else. This is a by default template which they provide us, but we did not, for the first video we will not be using any of this windows. We will just skip it out, and in next videos we will one by one see how to add all these features. Okay, I will say next. Now it is asking you whether you want the button to be at the bottom or you want it the top. Yes, have you noticed a change? Okay, so this is the template being created. So by default they will create a number of buttons for you, but we don't want so many buttons. And the log on button is there and language button is there, they are provided here. So I will click on finish. Yes. This is a basic HMI project created. If you can look over closely, PLC and HMI projects are available. Yes, we have created two screens. So parameter screen and welcome screen will be there. Welcome screen is our main screen, and by default parameter screen button is available. So the wizard helps you to create the buttons automatically. You need not to go and create the button. If you want, you can create it individually as well. Now I will show you where you can configure the address. Click on here. So here by default the address is taken as 192.168.0.2. If you want, you can change it. Then go in HMI tags and add a few tags. So we will add two tags. One will be boolean and the other one will be integer. So as we are creating a tag, we will rename it as test tag. So if you closely look into this, your connection type is internal tag. That means I can simulate because we are not going to download the HMI and PLC now. In this video, we are just going to show you the procedure or the steps how to create, how to develop a project. We are going to show you how to download, but we are not going to download it since we are not directly connected with the actual hardware of PLC and HMI. Okay, so we have created two tags. One is boolean and one is integer. The names I have given as test tag and test temp val. That means it has nothing significance with the name. You can provide any name. So basically the short form is test temperature value. Okay. I have opened welcome screen. Now you will check IO field. So this is the IO field for you. The IO field is available here. Now you will click on it and say properties. Here there is a format pattern. I don't want this as 999.999. I just want is as triple line. Okay, and I want to change the tag. So I have entered the value to the tag. S stands for sign. So if it is signed, it will show plus sign. We will again take one IO field. Either you can copy paste the same or take the new one. I will copy paste and use the same one. Control C, Control V. I will assign another tag. Okay, a binary tag. Then I will take a circle. In the circle, we will animate this circle using this boolean tag. Click on it. Go into animations, appearance, give the tag, select multiple bits, save the project. Click on HMI, go to simulation, start simulation. This is the HMI window which opens. Yes. Whether you are observing the change, when I have clicked as 1, it is flashing and the color is green. When I enter 0, flashing has stopped and it is red color. I can make this as 20. You can enter any value. So this is input field for entering the parameter settings, and this is for just changing color based on the bits. In the next video, we will see how to animate this circle using buttons. So save the project and then close. Thanks for watching.